This tutorial is to review the test screen operation for an automatic test. Once the test screen is entered, an instruction page is displayed for the screener to confirm or explain the items with the subject before continuing the test. Item 1. Headphones are placed correctly with the red phone on the right ear and the blue phone on the left ear. Item 2. The noise level is monitoring the room noise and displays results captured. The red bar displays when any one frequency is outside the acceptable level. This display is only visible within this screen. Confirm the noise level is acceptable before continuing on with the test. Item 3. The response button. The subject is to tap the blue circle icon for each tone heard, even when very soft. The selected protocol is shown at the top, which cannot be modified from this screen. At any point you want to exit the automatic test before completion, tap 3 times on the name in the top right corner. Select Start Test to begin the automatic test. Once in the automatic test screen, the test begins with a conditioning phase that familiarizes the subject with the signal and the proper responding. There is a green bar at the top of the screen which shows progression of the test once conditioning is complete. At the end of the test, a test finished will display for the subject to hand back the tablet to the screener. To transition to the results screen, tap the celebration icon 5 times. If the Setting Automatic Test Options is activated, the transition to the results screen will be immediate. Please see the basic settings video for additional instruction. The automatic test has built-in stop conditions if the subject is detected to be inconsistent or delayed in responding. A pop-up will display on the results screen identifying this to the screener. Re-instruction and retest is advised. This completes the tutorial on automatic test screen operation. Please continue through the tutorial series for additional easyTone instruction.